Mahogany is a kind of wood, the straight-grained, reddish-brown timber. The three species are Swietenia macrophylla, Swietenia mahagoni, and Swietenia humilis. Swietenia species are classified officially as genuine mahogany. Mahogany is a commercially important lumber prized for its beauty, durability, and color, and used for paneling and to make furniture, boats, musical instruments, and other items. The mahogany tree, Swietenia, which grow as natural populations in tropical America, Asia, and Africa, is a high-value timber tree known for its redwood color, strength, durability, water resistance, and aesthetic appeal. The mahogany tree can grow over 60 feet high and reaching around 4 to 5 feet diameter. The continual increasing demand for hardwood timber, mahogany can offer a tax-effective investment in forestry, make mahogany most demanding timber plant in this region. Mahogany is the most prized timber tree of India. It can be grown in almost every part of the country except the dry western zone, although the best mahogany plant develops in well-drained deep alluvial soil. Land preparation. Prior to planting, mahogany must be ensured that the selected site is well thoroughly cleared of weeds. Dig pit of size 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5 feet. The pit mixture should compose of well-decomposed organic manure, the oiled neem cake, and topsoil. The pit mixture is prepared by thoroughly mixing equal parts of organic manure and topsoil, along with 200 grams of the oiled neem cake. The pit mixture thus prepared should be used for filling the pit. Pit filling and spacing. The pits must be filled, as much as possible, only with the prepared pit mixture. If the topsoil is insufficient, coarse river sand may be used as an inert substitute, which also increases porosity and aeration. A peg may be placed in the center of the pit for identification during planting. The pits must be filled at least 2 weeks before planting, to allow for the pit mixture to settle. The recommended spacing for the plant is a square or triangular grid type with dimension of 6 by 6.5 feet. Irrigation. Watering has to be done immediately after planting. During the first 2-week, watering should be done alternate day. Subsequently, irrigation can be done once in 3 to 4 days depending upon the soil and weather conditions. In non-irrigated lands, micro-irrigation systems are recommended. Fertilizer application and doses. Fertilizer should be applied in 8 split doses. First year NPK 17:17:17 and micronutrients 200 grams per plant per month, except dormancy period. Every month this has to be split and applied through pocket manuring. Make hole 1 feet away from the plants and the depth of the pit should be 1 feet. Apply the fertilizer in the hole and fill it with the soil. Maintenance. The site must be cleaned of weeds and the soil around the plant should be kept loose and well aerated. Mahogany can grow on a variety of soils. The quality of its growth, however, depends on the depth, structure, porosity, drainage, and moisture holding capacity of the soil. It develops best on deep, well-drained and fertile soils. Mahogany prefers moist, warm tropical climate. It can withstand extremes of temperature, but maximum and minimum shade temperatures of 25 to 44 degrees Celsius is the most favorable for its growth. It grows well in rainfall zone of 1200 to 2500 mm. The sandy soil is considered to be the best soil texture for this tree. It fails to grow in the soil with pH below 6.5. The calcium content of the soil is also an important factor. Calcium deficiency in the soil results in stunted growth of mahogany planting. Harvesting, yield and returns. The highest growth is recorded under plantation condition in Bihar and Terai belt of Nepal. At 10 years of age, the height growth was 23.1 meter and diameter was 28.7 centimeter. From the general yield table in the first quality mahogany at 10 years of age, the average diameter is 27.2 centimeter and average height is 23.2 meter. The number of trees per acre is 1,200 to 1,500. The total yield of stem timber is about 36,000 cubic feet timbers on good sites. At the best, we may expect a tree to produce a maximum of 20 cubic feet of timber in 10 years under best conditions of intensive management, and there could be a maximum of 1,500 trees per acre. Income. After 10 years, 1,000 plants may give return. 20 cubic feet per tree into rupees 500 per cubic feet is equal to rupees 10,000 into 1,000 trees is equal to 100 lakhs is equal to 1 crore. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discovery Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.